How to disable or hide contact suggestion, those faces names you see when sharing files, photos, or links from the share sheet or share screen. So let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. In there, scroll down and tap on the Apple Intelligence and Siri option available there. For the older versions, tap on the Siri and search. Now again, in there, scroll down and there you will get to see some options like show app library or show content in search, or now simply toggle off the show when sharing option available there. Once you toggle off the show when sharing, simply go back to the iPhone's home screen. This will turn off all the faces or names you see while sharing some links or photos. Now let's simply open the photo app for confirmation. Once inside the photo app, try sharing your photo. Tap on the share icon available there. And here, as you can see, you cannot see any names or faces available. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.